Ordering checks for the first time? Let's see if checks in the mail is still the easiest option for beginners in 2025. Checks in the mail is designed for people who want a simple, no stress ordering process. The website is beginner friendly. You pick a style, enter your bank info, and you're done in minutes. They offer hundreds of designs, from classic business styles to colorful personal themes. Security features include microprinting, heat sensitive ink, and watermarks to help prevent fraud. You can also order matching address labels and checkbook covers. Prices are higher than bulk discounters like Costco, but you're paying for the variety and ease of use. Shipping takes around 7 to 10 days, and reordering is quick once you're in their system. For first-time check buyers, checks in the mail keep it simple and secure. Follow for more quick 2025 reviews.